Math enthusiasts, ever found yourself staring at a math problem, feeling like you've just hit a brick wall? You know, those moments when traditional math methods make everything seem way harder than it should be. Well, what if I told you there's a way to breeze through calculations and impress your friends with your lightning-fast math skills? Stick around, because today, I'm unveiling the secrets of Vedic mathematics that will change your math game forever. Alright, let's dive in. So what exactly is Vedic mathematics? It's an ancient system of math that originated in India and has been around for thousands of years. This isn't just some old-school math that's stuck in the past. It's a treasure trove of techniques designed to simplify calculations and boost your mental math skills. Whether you're tackling addition, subtraction, multiplication, or even division, Vedic mathematics offers some super cool shortcuts that can make your life a whole lot easier. Imagine solving complex problems in a fraction of the time it normally takes. Sounds amazing, right? Let's explore how you can do just that. Now, before we jump into the techniques, let's talk about what you need to get started. First off, you should have a basic understanding of arithmetic. If you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide, you're already halfway there. The second requirement is a willingness to learn new techniques. Vedic mathematics is all about thinking outside the box and embracing a different approach to numbers. So if you're open to it, you're going to have a blast exploring these methods. Ready? Let's get into the good stuff. Asterisk asterisk, step-by-step guide asterisk asterisk. Okay, let's break down some of the key techniques that Vedic mathematics has to offer. One of the most famous methods is called vertically and crosswise, and it's a game changer for multiplication. Here's how it works. Let's say you want to multiply 23 by 12. Instead of doing the standard multiplication, you'll break it down like this. 1. Write the numbers one above the other. 23x 12. 2. Start by multiplying the first digits together, 2 and 1. That gets you 2. 3. Then cross-multiply the outer and inner digits, 2 times 2 and 3 times 1, and add them together. That's 4 plus 3, which equals 7. 4. Finally, multiply the last digits, 3 and 2, to get 6. Now you combine these results, 276. It's that simple. With practice, you'll find you can do this in your head faster than you can write it down. Let's explore a few more techniques. Another cool technique is the Nikolam Sutra, which is great for multiplication when the numbers are near a base, like 10, 100, or 1000. For example, if you want to multiply 98 by 97, you can think of them as 100 to 2 and 100 to 3. Subtract the complements from the base, 100, and you get 2 and 3. Now you can find the product by subtracting the sum of these complements from the base. So 100, 2 plus 3, equals 95, and then multiply the complements. 2x 3 equals 6. Combine them and you get 9506. How cool is that? Alright, it's time for a live demonstration. Let's take a multiplication problem. 34 times 21. Using the vertically and crosswise method, we'll set it up just like we talked about. First, we write it out. 3 4x 2 1. Now let's do it step by step. Multiply the first digits. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now for the crosswise part, we have 3 times 1 plus 4 times 2, which is 3 plus 8, giving us 11. And lastly, 4 times 1 equals 4. So we combine everything. We take 6, add 1 to it, which means we carry over the 1. And then we have 6 plus 1 equals 7, and finally 4. Putting that all together, we get 714. Pretty fast, right? Now that you've seen how it's done, let's talk about some tips to help you practice these techniques. First, try to incorporate Vedic mathematics into your daily life. Whether you're calculating tips at a restaurant or figuring out how much time you have left until your favorite show starts, use these techniques whenever you can. Another great way to practice is to set aside a few minutes each day to work on problems using Vedic methods. You can challenge yourself with random multiplication problems and see how fast you can solve them. The more you practice, the easier it gets. And don't forget to have fun with it. Turn it into a game with friends or family and see who can solve problems the fastest. Of course, like any new skill, you might run into some challenges along the way. One common mistake is getting the crosswise multiplication wrong. When you're first starting, it can be tricky to keep track of everything. If you find yourself confused, take a step back and break it down. Write out each step clearly and don't rush. Another issue could be misunderstanding how to apply the complements in the Nikalam Sutra. If you're struggling, practice with smaller numbers first. Once you feel comfortable, gradually work your way up to larger numbers. Remember, it's all about practice and patience. So there you have it. We've uncovered some amazing Vedic mathematics techniques that can transform the way you think about numbers. With methods like vertically and crosswise and the Nikalam Sutra, you can tackle multiplication problems in record time. Incorporating these techniques into your daily life not only makes math easier, but also makes it a lot more enjoyable. Alright guys, I challenge you to give these Vedic mathematics techniques a try. Start with some simple problems and see how quickly you can solve them. And hey, I'd love to hear your experiences. Drop a comment below sharing your thoughts and any questions you might have. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And don't forget to check out my next video for even more math hacks. Happy calculating!